Hey, it's Rick Rose again from Keller Williams. I've had a lot of questions, especially from first-time buyers, but people who haven't actually bought a home in a long, long time. How much does it cost these days to actually buy a home? Well, one, you've got the cost of the home. How much do you want to spend on a home? The 350, 400,000, 500,000, whatever the number is. Yes. Now, most of that money comes from a mortgage. We go to a mortgage broker and get pre-qualified. From then, though, once we're actually in the process, we've found the house, you put an offer in, how much is it going to cost from there? Typically, you need 5% down, which means on a $400,000 home, you're looking about $20,000 as your down payment. Now, there's lawyers' fees, land transfer fees, other little taxes, there's title insurance, and so on and so on. Count somewhere, and I'm not being conservative on this, count somewhere around, say, $5,000. So for about $25,000 down cash, you can buy approximately a $400,000 home. Remember, too, if you don't quite have that $20,000 as down payment, you can always go to the bank of mom and dad and borrow it. And there is only one thing that has to be done then. We require a gift letter from the parents to you saying that they're actually giving you the money. I hope that gives you a rough idea how much it costs or how much cash you're going to have to come up with when buying a home. Probably, depending on the cost of the home, somewhere around $25,000. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, if you need to get pre-qualified through a mortgage broker, feel free to give me a call. Thanks a lot. We'll talk soon.